Hey guys, this is Nikki of Bubble Babes and of Bubble Babes University. I just wanted to pop on today because I wanted to talk about doing vision boards. Now, on January 8th at 7 p.m., we are going to do a live Zoom vision board party. Now, we're not going to not do the normal vision board thing. We're going to do something a little different. But before I get any further into this video, like this video so we can get me in the algorithm so you guys can see me and hear me and see my content. You know what I'm saying? So like the video, click your notifications so you can be notified for any time that I post new videos or when we go live. And I go live every Tuesday and we just talk about business things or anything that you have any questions to. I answer your questions on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also we're on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that is on Facebook and YouTube. We go live and we go live with the guests. It's called Sessions. It's part of Bubble Babes University. And if you are not part of Bubble Babes University, then go down below and click the link and sign up. We have 3 classes: how to frost like a pro, body butter, making body butter, and how to make multicolored wax icing. So we have that over at Bubble Babes University. We also have the Honor Society where we have many classes to teach you just different things in business, branding, any questions that you may have in business or product making, we discuss in the Honor Society. And that is a monthly membership. It's all access to everything. And you sign up for that. Also, all that information will be down below. Okay, so the whole thing with vision boards are gone, old, dead, blah, 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 right? Now, let me tell you why. So you have a vision board, which is normally on a big poster board, right? So you have all these pictures and then you're using all these generic pictures from magazines and they're just random. They're not specific, right? So you have all these things on the board and you have no way to take it with you so that you can look at it, when you need a refresher or just, you're traveling or whatever. You have no way to, look at it unless you take a picture of it and put it on your phone and then you can, look at it. But there's no way to update it or anything like that. My vision board has notes on it. It has a bunch of Post-its on it for things that I've accomplished or mini goals and things like that. It looks like Mary Jane's bathroom when she had all those Post-its on for her affirmations and things like that. So what I am suggesting, and this is what we are going to be doing on January 8th, is we are going to be making vision books. And in these vision books, we're going to have certain categories. So you section off these sections and you put the pictures of the things that you want to accomplish there. In every category, you're able to post the things that you want, the exact picture, because everything is about intention. You want to be very intentional when you are creating your vision book. So with that being said, you put the exact picture that you want, not just some random generic something like travel and you put an airplane. You don't want to put something like that. You want to be very specific about where that airplane is going or where you want to where do you want to travel to? How do you want to travel? You want to be in first class, whatever. So you want to be very intentional about what you're doing. I have each of the categories that I think that are most important in your life, like business, health, fitness, things like that, all categorized. And inside the book, you'll be able to track your progress, write your progress, any mini goals that you've accomplished, any obstacles or anything that has, stood in your way. Why do you feel like you have resistance? You're able to kind of like chronicle everything. And this way, when the year's over, you're able to look back and say, oh, well, I've accomplished this, but this is how I did it. And so you're able to grow from that because you know what your resistance was to certain things. You knew how easy certain things were. You knew if you was consistent, how easy things were to accomplish. And you know how to take that into the next year, doing even better than you did this year. Because when you look at your whole vision board, you see everything, there's pictures and everything right in front of you. But when you see that, you don't know the story behind it. So inside your vision book will be the story behind your accomplishing these goals or your or not achieving them. And sometimes things don't happen in that 1 year. I have some things on my vision board that I've had on my vision board for quite a few years, and I'm not taking it down because I still want those things. I just have to use a different route to get there. And so a different method or whatever I have to use to get there, and that is what I'm using to fuel my passion to get those things. So that's the same way with all of the things in the book. So like I said, we will be meeting on January 8th, so bring your snacks. We're still not sure if we are going to dress up or if we're going to do like a pajama party. Bring your snacks, your cocktails, all of your supplies. I will have everything listed in the Facebook group under the events. You can get your ticket on Eventbrite. I have the tickets. The tickets are absolutely free. I do have a limit on how many guests will be able to attend. I think if there are too many, it's going to be too overwhelming. So there's a number. I think I have 40 tickets or 50 tickets for you to attend the Zoom meeting. And I want it to be able to be something that we can interact with each other. And if it's too many people, we're not going to be able to, and it's going to be so long. So get your tickets now. Any special downloads or stickers, I'm offering sticker packages and things like that to people who have RSVP to the Vision Board Party. In the Honor Society, there will be special perks. The Honor Society, like I told you, is an all access membership, so there will be different templates and things like that for those people in the Honor Society. And if you go to the one in the Facebook group, it is just the general information, like the supplies you need, what to do, how to do it. Those type of things will be there in the Facebook group. So make sure you guys are following us there, and make sure you also, even if you don't take a class or you don't sign up for the Honor Society, do leave your email information so that when you are ready, you'll be able to get the information. So you'll see whatever updates and information that we send out through email. What else do I want to say? Oh, if there's any videos or whatever, I'm going to start doing more videos. Well, actually, I was doing Vlogmas. So Vlogmas, you're supposed to be doing videos every day, but I have been doing shorts every day. I've been posting shorts and also the lives. So I was contributing those to my Vlogmas, right? Because it's still me posting, but I'm going to do better. So I'm gonna challenge myself for the month of January to try to do a video every single day. And if there's anything that you would like to see, if you want to see something as far as packaging is concerned, do you want to see something more with the wax frosting, with the foaming sugar scrubs, because you guys seem to love those videos, the foaming sugar scrubs and the dessert candles. If you want to see more of those, just let me know in the comments below and I will do more of those. If you want to do more behind the scenes videos, just let me know. Whatever, if there's any specific video that you want me to talk about, or if there's something you want me to talk about on a Tuesday's live, like we talk about branding, we talk about all kinds of stuff. We talk about trademarking, we talk about social media. We actually have a contest going on right now, and I think I'm gonna make it into something different. It's called Content Crew. And it's just to hold everybody accountable to post more so that you can be more visible, because when you're omnipresent, that means your product is out there and you want to be the first thing that comes to mind when people are discussing whatever your special thing is, right? So, and it's just to make sure that you're out there and posting. Everybody is not comfortable with posting. And so if you're not comfortable with being in front of the camera, we give you ideas of how to be behind the camera and still be omnipresent. So if you would like to be part of our content crew, please also join us in the Facebook group, because that's where you'll get all of the updates. And I also update you on I'll update you on Instagram as well. If there are any special guests that you would like us to have on the sessions edition, please let me know down below. We just had Miss Yvonne Macy of the Snob Love Bar on our show for Thursday night, and she discussed everything about soaping and branding and things like that. So the theme for the Vision Board Party is "Where there is no vision, the people perish," is the theme of the Vision Board Party, because you need to know where you're going. You need to see it so you know how to get there. You cannot hit a moving target. So if you know where you're going, you know where to aim, you know the force that you need to apply in order to hit that target. So that is what we are doing. I want everybody to have an amazing 2022, and I will see you guys in the vision board party, or I should say in the vision book party, because we are going to, oh, and what you're going to need is just, oh, like I said, it's going to be in the Facebook group, but you are going to need a binder, or you could use a binder, or you could use like a spiral bound, like the thick spiral bound notebooks. And I say the thick ones because when you use the smaller ones, like the one subject, if you're adding pictures and things to that, it's going to get thicker and it's going to be hard for you to turn those pages. So you want something that's going to last, especially if you're flipping through your pages a lot of the time. So you want to make sure that you have something that's sturdy and you're able to use, I mean, not sturdy, something that's durable. And I feel like a 3-ring binder is better because if you're using a 3-ring binder, then you can add things, take things out. You could put more paper in if you need to. You could add templates if you need to, budgeting, all that type of stuff you can add into that binder. So I'm using a binder, and I'm getting school subject tabs to put inside the binder so that I can separate my categories. The categories, again, will be in the Facebook group. All of the other information will also be in the Facebook group, and I will be updating you as far as what's going on through Instagram Live as well. That's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys. Oh, we are growing so much. Let me tell you, my goal for I keep saying I'm going and I never leave, right? But my goal was to have 10,000 subscribers before the end of December. Now, in order for me to have 10,000 subscribers before the end of December, I think I need 800 more by tomorrow in order for that to happen. So I'm going to trickle that into January. Hopefully, it'll be like the first week or so in January I hit that 10,000 mark. So what I need from you is to share my videos, tell everybody to follow me if you like the content that I give, and tell them to come over here and follow me too. Tell them to subscribe, tell them to follow me on all social media, because I need to get to my 10,000 subscriber mark. That is one of my goals. I have it written down and everything. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to try to get on more often, but that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and I will see you in the next one.